Hello, movie lovers. Matt Cochran here, and I have a really bad B crime thriller that's kind of supposed to be a raunchy apocalyptic comedy, but starring Rutger Howard. It's Hobo with a Shotgun. Rutger Hauer plays a unassuming transient just trying to make his way through his a crime-ridden San Francisco, California, and just not bother anybody. But in a crime-ridden city filled to the brim with lawlessness, insanity, and psychos, all led over by fear from a psychotic family of tyrants. All the crime-ridden city needs is an unlikely hero. That unlikely hero might come in the form of a hobo with a shotgun, who will have to turn out to be more psychotic than the criminals running rampant in the city. Will Rutger Hauer be its savior, or will the psychos prove too deadly for this hobo with the shotgun? This is a very badly made and written B movie. In fact, the only thing worth making it worth watching is the late great Rutger Hauer's performance. He always was able to make something interesting out of even the worst B movie. But even he is not enough to carry this movie. And so, if not for the performance of Rutger Hauer, it will only get a 1 out of 5. Without Rutger Hauer, I would probably give this a 0 out of 5. But since Rutger Hauer makes it interesting, 1 out of 5 is what it gives. I really don't recommend this for anything more than a one-time watch or just a laugh, because nobody is very good in this, and they really spent no money whatsoever on this. I don't recommend it for anything. So, you can find it unbelievably on DVD and Blu-ray, probably on other streaming networks, and possibly on Netflix as well. But I highly recommend you find something of better quality. So if you're on Rumble, hit me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you're on YouTube, hit me like, subscribe to my channel, and of course watch those movies. If you have any comments you'd like to leave me, leave them down in my comment sections below. And if you want to join Rumble, and you haven't registered an account yet, register one with my referral link at the top of the screen here, and it will give me a slight commission if you do. Hope to see you around. Bye.